Well, months after the Indian Aviation Ministry lifted the ban on flying super jumbos into the country, India will soon see the mighty airplanes operational. Here's the report.
Airbus A380 all set to make its debut in India. Yes, Singapore Airlines will pioneer the operation of Airbus A380 aircraft in the country. The air service provider will fly the world's largest passenger jet aircraft to Delhi and Mumbai from May 30th. With this, Singapore Airlines will become the first carrier to fly the Super Jumbos into India. The Indian Aviation Ministry had implemented a ban on Super Jumbos in an effort to help struggling domestic carriers cope up with global competition. The mighty airplane is now all set to fly into India after the ban was lifted earlier this year. Singapore Airlines, Emirates and Lufthansa had expressed interest in flying A380s into India on various international routes. But Singapore Airlines has taken the first step. Sources said that Emirates and Lufthansa are eyeing to operate A380s in the country, considering India is the second most populous country. Singapore Airlines officials said that they are pleased to initiate the Super Jumbo service in India.
We have been keen to operate the Airbus A380 to India and are glad the air services agreement between Singapore and India now allows us to do so. India is a particularly important market for Singapore Airlines, and we are very pleased more of our customers will soon be able to experience the spaciousness and comfort of the world's largest aircraft.
Presently, only 4 airports, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru, have the infrastructure to accommodate the double-decker planes, which can seat up to 850 passengers in a single-class configuration. After about 7 years after the aircraft made its entry into commercial service, it has entered the Indian market. A News 9 report.